capture the flag.
What's that, lassie? The enemy team is preparing to launch an assault on the flag station directly underneath this platform, and the only thing standing between them and victory is the two of us and our elite Halo skills we've acquired over the course of 10 years since the release of Halo Combat Evolved during our prepubescent childhood. They're launching their assault as we speak.
Flag stolen.
Oh great Captain Planet, what can we do to stop this horrible act?
The power is yours!
He's right.
Let's do this! Leroy Dragons!
Alright guys, I found my mic. Guys.
At least I have chicken.